Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3D effect on CapCut that you can use for your Instagram Reels editing. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my CapCut application and I'm going to open up the project I have just created. Let's say that I want to create Instagram Reels with this video and I'm going to apply 3D effect to this video. Okay guys, we can go to the effect menu and then we're going to go to the video effect and then we can apply 3D effect. We can search 3D effect, just type in 3D and then there will be some 3D effects that you can use and you can use it for free guys, but I think it's limited. You will get credits to use the 3D effect, and after that you can subscribe to CapCut to use the effect. Okay, here we have the 3D turn display and 3D screen, 3D phone, 3D rotation, 3D room, and 3D fragment, and 3D surround. And yeah, I'm going to choose one of them. I'm going to choose this one guys. It looks cool. 3D fragment. Okay, and let's try it and see how it looks. Okay, yeah, that's so cool. And oops, wait, I'm going to close it. And for this effect, I'm going to apply to the first part. And let's see. Okay. All right. And then the next one, I'm going to apply another 3D effect. Again, I'm going to search 3D and I'm going to choose 3D surround. Okay, it's similar to the previous effect, the 3D fragment. Okay, and let's play it. Wow, it's cool. Okay, and I'm going to try one more effect. I'm going to search 3D, and for the last one, I'm going to use 3D room. Okay, this is also cool. And yeah, for your Instagram reel, you just need to choose the effect that you like or the effect which is suitable for your video. Okay guys, and that's how we can use 3D effect on CapCut for Instagram reel. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.